Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Every Day series. Today I'm so excited to try out this Totally Tubular Mascara from the brand Half-Caked. And I actually got this in my March 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So if you have not seen my unbagging of that, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. I love trying out mascaras, but I'm especially excited to try out this tubing mascara. So tubing mascaras, basically it is supposed to form like a tube around your lashes, which really should lend itself to exactly what I'm looking for in my mascaras, because I love a separated, fanned out lash with a lot of volume. And a tubing mascara should ideally do that really well because it should individually coat each lash and then you can layer it up to build up volume. Typically, that's what I'm hoping and that's what I'm kind of expecting from this, just because I did see really good ratings on it. And this is cruelty-free, vegan. It retails for $14. And it's from an indie beauty brand, which I always love trying out the indie brands. This is a brand that I am familiar with just through Ipsy, but also how cute is the packaging. So curious what the wand is going to look like. Ooh, this definitely looks like the type of wand that I like because it's not too big, but it has these spiky silicone type bristles. Here's an up-close view so that you can see what the wand looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start out by applying it to one of my eyes. So I did not curl my lashes, and I definitely do tend to have some very straight lashes. But I just like to see how a mascara performs on its own without me using a lash curler when I try it out for the first time. But what I am noticing right away is that it applies a lot of product and a lot of volume just with this one layer. And it's a nice dark black color. There is no clumping. I am really liking this wand. It feels like it's combing through the lashes really well. And I feel like it's just building up so quickly, which I really appreciate because then I'm not sitting here for so long trying to build it up to achieve the volume. What I also am noticing is that it's nice and lengthening because it fully coats the entire lashes. I'm also kind of just tapping at the ends to make sure those get coated. But that looks good. That's pretty impactful for a kind of first round of applying the mascara. So I am going to try layering it up even more just for the fun of it. But before I do that, I'm going to try this out on the lower lashes. It's a good wand for the lower lashes since it's pretty small and not too messy. I mean, this is kind of a good problem to have, but I almost feel like this is making my lower lashes look too long. It's like a little bit, I don't know, not that it looks bad, it's just not what I'm used to seeing on myself is the long lower lashes. I don't know, maybe it's growing on me. It isn't smudging. It looks good. It's just a little bit different than what I'm used to. Let me know what you think about this look on the lower lashes. But now I'm gonna go ahead and see what I can do for these top lashes, what I can build up. It is buildable, but with this kind of texture of a mascara, it's like the more I layer it, it almost starts to look a little bit like there are fuzzies attached to my lashes, which at a certain point, I just feel like I have to stop layering it up because it kind of just makes the lashes look a little funny and unnatural, but not in a like falsies type of effect, just more like too fuzzy and uneven. So I feel like that's as much as I can really build up. But I do love that the lashes are individually coated, so they're nice and separated and full looking. It's not the most volumizing mascara I've ever worn, but it is still pretty volumizing. And you can see like the difference with it versus without it. I'm really happy with how that's looking. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to the other eye. What I do want to do is a bit of a wear test, because I really don't like when, as the day goes on, my mascara starts to smudge. Like, usually happens right here for me from smiling and like my cheeks lifting and like rubbing my lashes and my mascara off. With a tubing mascara, that shouldn't be as much of a problem, but I'm gonna let you know with my wear test. So in the description down below, I'll update you on how this lasts as the day goes on, if it smudges, if I find that the mascara is flaking off at all. Any of those wear test results, I will update you. All right, so mascara is completely applied now, and here is the finished look. So overall, I'm sure as you can tell, like I'm not blown away in love with this mascara. It's not the best mascara I've ever used, but it's not bad, and I would continue using it. I just like to get a little bit more volume than this is giving me, but it doesn't make the lashes look bad because I like that they're looking full, long, looking nice and dark black. But of course, I would love to know your thoughts on the Half-Caked Totally Tubular Mascara if you have tried it. But as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.